This is the Ford Lightning. And sales on the Lightning have slowed down quite a bit. Yet, it's a beautiful vehicle with great technology. In fact, it has one of the most advanced technology of any vehicles on the market. Fully electric. This one's the Platinum Edition. This is a leftover 2023. You can get up to 300 miles to a full charge. You can steal one of these. These are actually part of the A-Plan pricing. If you can find a qualified vehicle. But this one, you could steal this vehicle. For more information, 862-668-2051. We are located in Manahawkin, New Jersey. Causeway Ford.